Hi friends, this is Barbara, and I'm going to do something extremely very simple today because I just got my new casserole crockpot and I just want to use it really quick. I don't have the time to put a bunch of stuff together. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to put in some beef and cheese burrito. Well, first, just in case, I'm going to go ahead and spray that. Just dump those in there. They don't have to be any specific way, just the way that you want them in there. Sorry for the dog. He's just got a cat out there he's got his eyes on, or maybe a bird or a squirrel. I don't know. Okay, so one of the things then, this is going to be crazy easy, okay? Then we're just going to pour 1 can of red enchilada sauce right on top of it. What we're doing today, we're just heating these up. I could make my own, but I don't have time. I wish I did. And then after this, we're just going to go in there. I'm trying to use the least ingredients also as much as I possibly can. I'm going to go in there with some Fiesta blend cheese. As much as you like. And I'm probably going to come back here. We're going to cook this on high for 2 hours, or high for 2 hours, or low for 4. I'm going to go low for 4 hours. Normally I don't do low, but I'm going low today. I'm going to save a little bit, towards the end. So that was 3 ingredients right there. That's what we're doing today, and that's it. Yeah, I could throw these in a pan and throw them in the oven and heat them up. But then that defeats me trying to give this doll here a test run, okay? Then we're just going to put the lid on her. Okay. All right. Turning it on low, and we're running her for 4 hours. Okay, low for 4 hours, high for 2, okay? And then I'll be right back, and I'll show you actually what that looks like and what I'm going to do with it next. You could do anything you want, so to prepare, if you're going to do this, you could throw some lettuce on top of it, tomato on top of it, sour cream on top of it, some chilies on top of it. You could throw anything that you would normally throw on top of a burrito, on top of the frozen burritos. Okay, and here we are. This is what it looks like when it is done. I just want to get one of them out. Okay. All right, and then what I'm going to do is just throw some onion, some tomato, throw some lettuce in there, and hit it with some sour cream. Jeez. Okay, and then I'm also going to put some avocado slices on there. I'm going to put a lot of avocado. And if you have taco seasoning, not taco seasoning, sauce. And there, that's what I've done. So I warmed it up in the crock pot and just threw some toppings on it. Easy breezy. Okay, friends, that's it for tonight. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe. Okay, friends, keep on cooking. Love you guys.